Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the Green Birdwing in Heartopia. So they will be around the, suburb area. So you're just going to drive around until you find it. There's like no specific spot for it. And you need to be level 6 of insect catching. Okay, let's do this way then. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be very hard to catch. Okay, don't get too close to it like I did, and do it this way. It's so hard to catch. I don't know. Come on. Like, oh my gosh. Okay, it's very hard to catch, by the way, so don't get too close to it and use this instead. There we go. Finally, we got it. And yeah, basically just kind of drive around the suburbs area and you'll find it flying around it. Again, you need to be level 6 of insect catching, and you also need to catch it at either night or like really in the morning, so like dusk or dawn. So yeah, that is how you can catch the green birdwing. Again, you have to kind of go around because I like went to other people's like spots and it's not there, so I had to like drive around until I actually found one. So just the suburbs area, so you do have to kind of drive around to find it. But yeah, that is where you can find it. It can be in any weather anyways. So you can find it in sunny, rainbow, or rainy weather. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!